guys, thanks for joining me today. So today I will be doing an unboxing video of the Hulk from Diamond Dotz, or actually Camelot Dotz. So again, it's another company by Diamond Dotz. It is Camelot Dotz, but it is powered by Diamond Dotz. So again, it's another company that uses Diamond Dotz. On your box is a little different since it is a Marvel one. It does not tell you exactly everything like the other ones, but as you can see that it is mainly all diamond painting except for his face and this little bit, of course you can't see it, this little bit of a background in his face, okay? So let's jump in. So this one is a little bit bigger. This one is a 16.5 by 20.8, so almost 21 inches long. Uh-oh. Oh, just a little cardboard there. So let's get into this. I did get this one from Michael's. Used a coupon. Again, the thicker, you can hear the thicker canvas. And then here is your diamond painting. So again, just no, that's not his pants. So the background here and the background here, the rocks are not diamond painted. However, the rocks over here where he smashed and all that, except for this little area, is not diamond painting. So it's more of a partial. So this is what it looks like from this view. Still very cool. Hulk smash. Again, very clear symbols. You have 24 colors, 2 key sides, one on top, one on bottom. And again, the clarity is just amazing. I don't know if you can see that, but the clarity is very good on the symbols. You got your blacks. Yep, very good. We got pour glue. And now let's get into these drills. So again, mainly your greens. So, ooh, that's pretty. I've never had one of those colors. Okay, so we're back. Sorry. Had to take a breather for a moment to help my son. So let's get into the Hulk drill colors. So you do have 28. Again, these should be the original, yes, the original Diamond Dot drills, which are flat on top. And we'll just go through really quickly. So you have your greens, purple, green, brown, brown, green, green, brown, green, green, green. Of course, you got 2 bags of black. You got yellow, green, your 2 bags of black, said that wrong. Gray, purple, brown, brown. And then you got, ooh, we got a little bit of blue. This one does not have any AB drills. So, but again, it's to help complete my collection. All I need left is Iron Man. I've done Thor, Captain America, and Spider-Man. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.